everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. If anyone's new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stopped by because you're here to support me and my twin, Heather, Crazybeautifulmua, then you're in the right place, and keep on watching. Alright, I am super excited. Today is the second installment of our collab series called Buy and Try. That's where we both decide on certain items from a certain brand where we're going to do a purchase for the other person, like a mystery box, send it to them, they unbox it, they do a try on, they give their first impression review, and it's a collab all in one. Everything I love and enjoy. Unboxings, mystery boxes, makeup try-ons, and collaborating with my twin Heather. So hopefully you're as excited as I am to see what came in the bag. If anyone isn't aware of who Crazybeautifulmua, aka Heather, is, she does all of the social medias, TikTok, Instagram, obviously YouTube, Twitter, and she has a blog where she does makeup reviews. So if you could do me a huge favor, go check her out. I will link her channel and everything down below in the description. Oh, did I forget to mention who we're doing this makeup mystery buy and try collab with? Last time we did ColourPop. This time we're doing Shein or Sheglam. I really don't know how you pronounce either of those, but it's Shein. I've never done a haul or purchase from them, so I'm curious what their products are all about. And I'm super excited and curious to see what Heather picked out for me. So this time we decided to do almost a full face of makeup with the exception of foundation and concealer, which I'm already wearing, as well as mascara. But the rest of the items should complete a full look. And we also this time said get each other a little special surprise treat. And I got her a couple of them. All right, let's dive in. There are two interesting packaged products here. Oh, maybe they're palettes. If so, that's some thick foam for protection. Let's open the first one and see what Heather got me. I think we truly are twins. I want to say I got this for her. If not, something very similar. This is from Sheglam, and it is a 3D Pro Face palette called Dune. Very beautiful, very pretty, and yes, I'm 99.9% sure I sent her this one as well. All right, there are the swatches. So there seem to be three highlighters. One is a cream product. These two are powders, and then one powder bronzer contour. Okay, what is this other product here? All right, what is this? We have what looks to be an eyeshadow palette. This here is the Sheglam Adventurous Aries palette. Heather, the word adventurous is scaring me. Hopefully it's roses on here. And Heather, I think you were shopping for yourself when you see your box. I was shopping for myself, but for you. So let's see what this color story is all about. Okay, so we have some orangey, red, pinky, dark pinks. Well, are they pink? Red, and then some purples. Yes. All right, next item. What is this? Okay, so this here is also from Sheglam, and it's the Pro Precision Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Yes, it's in the shade black, which I know I'm boring, but I love a good black eyeliner. Oh, this is nice packaging. This feels metal, has some weight to it. Has a roller ball, which I love. Let's do a swatch and maybe I'll be able to figure out what type of... Oh, I think this may be a brush tip. If it's felt tip, the applicator had some little jiggle room to it and it was quite liquidy. Not saying that's good or bad, just making a comment there. All right, gonna give that a minute to set in and then I'll do my standard smudge test. All right, next item. What do we have here? This is also from Sheglam, and it's called Spring It On, and it's a glow gloss. Don't know what a glow gloss is. Is that a lip gloss or a cheek product? Only one way to find out. Okay, so yes, based on the applicator, this is going to be a lip gloss. This does not seem to have a scent. Not sticky. A wee thick, not super thick. And here is what a swatch looks like. So very shimmery, shiny. A nice, beautiful, neutral kind of tangerine, peachy color. All right, what else do we get? What is this? Okay, yes, the blush product. This is from Sheglam, and it's Color Bloom Liquid Blush in 101 Love Cake. Oh, how pretty. I love this packaging. It's a nice, what do you call that? Pentagon, soft ombre pink. Beautiful. Interesting applicator. It's like a sponge on the top here. Let's do a swatch. There's the color there. Let's blend it out. I have a feeling a little bit's gonna go a long way. All right, that's beautiful. All right, while we're up here, let's test out. Yes. All right, good job. There was ever so slightly smudge, but nothing dramatic or drastic, and I did press quite hard. All right, that was all of the makeup. Now on to the extra little gifts. So one is a brush set. Yes, I love getting eye brushes. This is a 5-piece set. These are quite soft. They're very soft. Unfortunately, I will not use them today because I'm gonna have to wash them first and they will be wet and I'd have to film tomorrow, but I'm filming now. You get it. But thank you, Heather. I love receiving brushes. And the last fun item. What is this? I see a carrot. OMG. It's a headband with bunny ears. All right, well, I have a big pumpkin head. Let's hope and pray this fits on my big monstrosity. I love it. It's adorable, except I love the ears. I don't know that I'm a fan of the carrot. Heather, would you hate me if I ripped the carrot off? I will leave it on for now. The question is, should I leave this on as I do my makeup? Why not? All right, what is the first thing I want to put on my face? Let's play with the blush. All right, should I just dab and use my finger? Why not? Gonna grab the sponge I used to put my foundation on because I think I got a little too much. All right, that helped blend. Very cute. It's the type you can either go ham really quick or way light. Okay, on to the face palette where I can do some bronzing and highlighting. I'm gonna try this highlighter, which is a cream product. Alright, now it's time to do the eye look. Let's do some swatches. Alright, so here are the swatches. There are 5 mattes and 3 shimmers. I think I'm gonna lean kind of pinky purple and go with this as the shimmery topper. Okay, I'm gonna use the bronzer in the face palette as my transition shade. off. Fix my hair. Okay, just crazy hair. It's an off-washed hair day. I have an extra amount of dry shampoo in, and then wearing the bunny ears really just gave me quite the bouffant. All right, let's apply the lip gloss again, and then we'll have the final look. All right, final comment on this lip gloss. You gotta be careful. The tiniest little squeeze, it just comes plunging out. So just be careful if you pick this up. Okay, give me your thoughts. No judgment on my application method, just on how fun this type of video is. And let me know if you've ever used products from Sheglam before, or Shein. Am I saying that right? So yes, we have full face-ish of makeup from Sheglam. I'm dying to see how Heather felt about what I got her. If you could do me a big favor and go check out and support Heather, Crazybeautifulmua, that would mean the world to me. If you are here from her channel, welcome and thank you. If anyone hasn't subscribed yet, I would love if you would do so. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you're notified of future videos. If you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right. Thank you, Heather. And thank you, everyone who watches and supports us. Bye, everyone.